Aloha, my name is Brent Foster with Certified Property Solutions, and today we're here to talk about 5 tenant screening tips for Honolulu landlords to help find the best resident. As you can imagine, a poorly screened tenant can cost a homeowner thousands of dollars in unpaid rent and damages. The first tip is to have a formal written application form. This will request basic information such as names, dates, addresses, employment history, etc. It's important that this also gives you authorization to perform a background check, to contact current and previous landlords, and also to verify their employment. The next tip is to obtain proof of income. This can be done by reviewing pay stubs, recent tax returns, third-party award letters from programs such as Section 8, or court documents that identify other forms of income such as alimony. The next tip would be to verify their employment. This is done by reaching out to their current and previous employers and asking basic information such as how long have they been with the company, what their monthly or annual income is, and whether or not there's any foreseeable changes in their employment such as furlough days or layoffs. The next tip would be to contact their current and previous landlords to obtain rental history. You're going to ask questions such as how long have they been in the property, have they ever paid their rent late, and whether or not there's any types of complaints. The final tip for today would be to obtain a credit report. This is going to provide you with a FICO score that's going to kind of give you a rough idea of how this person performs in terms of paying their debt, such as loans, credit cards, etc. But it's also important not to just look at the score, but to look at the report itself. You might have someone who has a questionable score or a lower score, but when reviewing the report, you might actually identify that there's things in there that aren't necessarily relevant to you, such as medical debt, or maybe they have an outstanding collection for a telephone or cell phone company for less than $200 that may or may not be super significant, and you as a landlord, you may decide that it's not important. My name is Brent Foster with Certified Property Solutions. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us today. Mahalo.